After discussion of Dove and Tride rule, now we discuss about Newland's law of octaves. The English scientist John Newland also arranged the elements in his table in an increasing order of their atomic masses. Newland started his table from the lightest element hydrogen and ended his table with thorium. While arranging elements in an increasing order of their atomic masses, in his periodic table he found that every eighth element had similar properties to that of first. Every eighth element had similar properties to that of first. This is the Newland's law of octaves. For example, sodium is the eighth element from lithium, and both, that is sodium and lithium, shows similar properties. Magnesium is also eighth element to that of beryllium, and both magnesium and beryllium also show similar properties. Third example is that chlorine is also eighth element, had similar properties to that of fluorine. Now we discuss about limitations of Newland's law of octaves. There are certain limitations for the Newland's octaves, and these limitations are as follows. The first limitation is that this law was found to be applicable only up to calcium. Further calcium, this was not found to be applicable. The second application is that Newland placed two elements in some boxes for the accommodation of all known elements. For example, copper, cobalt and nickel, cerium and lanthanum. The third limitation is that Newland placed some elements having different properties under the same note. For example, cobalt and nickel, these are the metals placed along with halogens under the note Do. Generally, the properties of metals cobalt and nickel are different than that of halogens. Even though Newland placed these metals along with halogens. This is the limitation. The next limitation is that Newland also placed iron under the same note T along with non-metals oxygen, sulfur and selenium. But the properties of iron are different than that of non-metals such as oxygen, sulfur and selenium. The next limitation is that there was no any provision in Newland's octaves for the accommodation of newly discovered elements. And the newly discovered elements did not fit in the Newland's table. These are some limitations of Newland's octaves.